Before I started my journey in meditation, I always thought that mantra meditation was similar to casting spells, summoning, and manifesting things. But as I've grown and gained some experience in the world of meditation, I realized that I couldn't have been more wrong. Relating to this experience, I understood that mantra meditation had a deeper meaning than that. Mantra meditation ended up being a huge compliment to my meditation sessions, because I had trouble keeping my mind from wandering all the time. It helped me reinforce my concentration, made meditation a lot more fun, and as a better means of communicating with myself. In this video, I'm going to go through a compilation of popular answered questions in mantra meditation that are meant to help you understand everything there is to it, especially if you're starting out in the world of meditation. A mantra is a word or a phrase that you say over and over during meditation as a means to release your mind. To put it simply, a mantra is basically a Sanskrit term which when broken down resembles man, which means mind, and tra, which means release. A mantra's main goal is to help you to concentrate better in meditation, given how the art itself isn't the easiest thing in the world. Mantras in meditation are the best form to help you get into the right frame of mind, especially if you're trying meditation for the first time. In my experience, they give great results if you want to improve your awareness and focus as compared to other types of meditation. A daily mantra is a phrase or a statement that you express to yourself as a form of empowerment to overcome specific personal obstacles. To give a great example, if you're facing a very hard time with anxiety, a mantra that you could use to empower yourself is, "I have control over my anxious emotions." Daily mantras are usually expressed in the form of present progress. This is done by starting your mantra with the phrase, "I am." There is no limit as to how you could utilize and practice a daily mantra. You could recite it as many times as you want. Some people usually have a specific time where they recite their mantras. For example, when they wake up and exactly before bed. I personally prefer to have a piece of paper that I walk around with and look at during random times of the day. Here are specific examples of what daily mantras look like. Mantras do work, given how mantras are specifically used to help you to concentrate on something specific and to release the mind. Mantras are plain and simple. Their results are clear and achievable, mainly because the main goal behind them is to concentrate on something. Relating to meditation, you could use breathe in as a mantra in order to place your attention on how you're drawing in your breath. The mistake, or rather the misguided belief that so many people have, is that mantras are meant to solve all your problems simply by chanting the solution out loud. I know this for a fact because I had the same belief system as well. That was until I understood that a mantra's ability is to bring awareness to something in the hopes of releasing your mind from its negative impact. Let's put this idea into good use. Let's say that you're anxious over public speaking. Using a mantra like "I'm becoming a better public speaker" in this scenario isn't meant to help you to instantly become the best public speaker in the world. The mantra is meant to shut down the outside world and bring you into full awareness of the present moment, over the potential that you're currently developing, so that you can concentrate and lead in with a better sense of confidence. Om and I am are good mantras for meditation. They are the most popular mantras and the easiest to pronounce during meditation. There are several mantras in the world of meditation. A few examples are Hare Krishna, Aham Prima, Om Mani Padme Hum, and many others. In my experience, they can be a little unsettling because it's easy to forget them as well as difficult to pronounce, especially when you're starting out. The best that I would personally recommend for beginners are Om or and I am. Om means it is, will be, or to become. It is the most universal and popular mantra in the world of meditation. It is said to be the best mantra to help you calm down and ease you into meditation. To bring your meditation to life, you could use specific mantras that begin with I am. The reason why mantras are expressed in this way is to bring awareness and empowerment to how the transition is already in full effect as you're expressing it. The 7 mantras are based from the 7 main chakras in the world of meditation. In Sanskrit, chakra means a disc or a wheel, which is reference to the main energy centers that are in your body. Here's a list of the 7 chakra mantras. The first one is the root chakra. This chakra is based on the element of grounding. It's the first and the lowest of the chakras. The balance of the root chakra can be reinstated by the mantra I am. The second one is the sacral chakra. This chakra is closely linked to sensuality and desire for pleasure. It's primarily focused on helping us to facilitate and connect ourselves with our feelings. Its mantra begins with I feel. The third one is the solar plexus chakra. This chakra is based on connecting with your raw, authentic energy. That's why it's also known as the fire chakra. It's meant to help you initiate your will and focus with confidence and courage. It encourages honesty, understanding, and commitment. That's why its mantra begins with I do. The fourth one is the heart chakra. This chakra is based on embracing self-compassion and acknowledging your inner core. The best way to access an intimate relationship with ourselves is by saying I love, which is the mantra for this chakra. The fifth one is the throat chakra. This chakra is based on communication, which is the basis of all understanding. By balancing this chakra, you'd be essentially separating your individual self from everything else, as well as recognizing and embracing your light side and your dark side. The mantra for this is I speak. The sixth is the third eye chakra. The third eye chakra helps us visualize, comprehend, and reflect on many aspects of ourselves, just like our intuition, as well as infinite potential possibilities that are within our realm of capability. It is denoted by the mantra I see. And the seventh one is the crown chakra. The crown chakra helps us connect to a realm beyond our own consciousness. It goes beyond the physical world right into the spiritual world. Unlocking this chakra helps us to understand and coexist in all worlds in our ultimate state. Its mantra is, I understand. The main benefits of mantra meditation are an increased sense of self-awareness and reduced stress levels if practiced regularly. Meditation in general has benefits that revolve around stress reduction, having an increased level of self-awareness, and concentration. Here's a full list of potential benefits that you can get from mantra meditation. Increased levels of concentration, helps handle anxiety, reduced levels of stress, increased levels of self-confidence, a better personal positive outlook, and a better composure. Yes, you can just listen to mantras, since mantras have a positive effect on your subconscious mind. Although I would suggest practicing your mantras by engaging in them, by being fully conscious when you chant them, because it helps develop self-awareness more. For example, if you were to record yourself saying, I am strong, I am confident, I am healthy, then plug in your headset and listen to those affirmations regularly. This won't turn you into those things instantly, but if you listen to them long enough, your subconscious has better chances of listening to suggestions or taking courses of actions that relate to those affirmations. To find your mantra, you should dig deep into personal introspection and find what your urgent problem or ambition is. We all have different ambitions, problems, insecurities, fears, and desires. The best way to find your mantra is by figuring out what really calls to you the most. Do you value being a particular person, for example, someone who is strong, persevering, and inspirational? Or are you the more grounded type that values being personally leveled, like being more calm, conscious, and more composed? The best way to find your mantra in my personal experience is by visualizing the type of person that you want to become 5 years from now and basing your mantras from that perspective. Overall, I believe mantras to be a great support system when it comes to meditation because they aid in retaining your attention. They are also a great mechanism to inspire confidence and self-esteem. This is Shaun from Pyro Mind Hack. Thank you for watching.